In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert code in Slack, how to add code block in Slack. If you've ever pasted code into Slack and watched the formatting fall apart, this walkthrough will show you the right way to share it clearly, with indentation preserved and syntax highlighting applied. We'll use Slack's text snippet feature, which is designed specifically for code. Start by opening the conversation where you want to share your code. This can be any channel or a direct message. It helps to pick the exact place where your teammates expect technical updates, so the snippet lands in the right context. Look at the message composer at the bottom of Slack, and click the small plus icon next to it. This opens a menu of attachments and tools. From that menu, choose Text Snippet. Unlike a normal message, a snippet posts as a file with a clean, scrollable code view, making it much easier to read and discuss. In the snippet window, give your snippet a clear, descriptive title. Think of it like a commit message or a pull request title, something concise that explains what the code is. For example, note the component, the function, or the purpose. A good title makes your snippet easier to find later through search. Next, set the type using the drop-down. This is where you choose the language for syntax highlighting. JavaScript, Python, JSON, YAML, and many more are available. Picking the right language helps Slack colorize keywords and punctuation, which improves readability and reduces mistakes during reviews. If you're unsure, plain text is a safe fallback. Now paste your code into the main body of the snippet. Double-check that indentation, line breaks, and spacing look correct here. This is also a good moment to quickly scan for anything sensitive, like access tokens or passwords, and remove them before you share. If you need to add a short note, you can include a comment at the top of your code using your language's comment style. When everything looks good, click Create Snippet. Slack will post your snippet to the conversation with a preview. Teammates can expand it, copy sections, download it, and reply in a thread to keep discussion organized. The formatting will remain intact, so long lines won't wrap awkwardly and your structure stays clear. That's all it takes. Choose the conversation, open the plus menu, select text snippet, add a helpful title, pick the correct language type, paste your code, and create the snippet. If the highlighting doesn't look right, you can post again with a different language selection. With this approach, your code is readable, searchable, and simple for your team to review.